Dyson Machine Shop is a fantastic facility, somewhere in the neighborhood of 75,000 square feet of nothing but machining. It is dedicated to Dyson Corp. We don't outsource our machining, so our customers at any moment in time have access to our machine shop. Our machine shop, we turn, we extrude, we thread, we chamfer, we mill parts, we CNC complete parts. There's really nothing in our machine shop that we can't do. Our machine shop, like I said, is dedicated to the Dyson process, to our customers, and it's a world-class machine shop.